And the race is on. Tiger Run from the outside is Lord of War. Sugar Glaze down on the inside, rising up is Maker Smart. Moving up by Daryl Vanguard, and Ula Juwon is running at the tail of the field. Tiger Run by about 5 lengths, followed by Lord of War in second. Maker Smart is running in third by Daryl Sugar Glaze. Racing Import Ula Juwon on the outside, and Vanguard. Passing the half-mile post, Tiger Run, but this time by about 7 lengths. Maker Smart Danori inside, and Lord of War is running in third from the outside. Rounding the far turn, Tiger Run by about 5 lengths. Maker Smart, Lord of War moving up on the outside, taking the second spot as they race the final corner. Tiger Run by about 2 lengths. Lord of War, Danori inside is Maker Smart. Tiger Run by a length and up. Lord of War, Danori inside. And ring the last 150 meters more to run. Lord of War is now the leader. Tiger Run from the outside. And finally, the icebreaker, Lord of War. Tiger Run. Ula Juwon, Maker Smart, number 3, Sugar Glaze, and